a band there. There's a band. Oh, there's a dinosaur. Hi, dinosaur friend. Oh my god. God. Guys, try this ride. It's so cool. Don't try this ride. Try this ride, guys. Try it. You got to try it. You gotta try it, right? It's Johan's brother. Where's Johan's phone? I got scared when they bite me. But I didn't get scared when the other one bite me. Why are you getting scared? Jan was... Whoa, there it is. Every Filipino should go here. Oh my god, is that blue? Is that blue? That's blue. Blue is dead. Even his friend. It's dead. They're dead. They're all dead. They're all dead. That tunnel is my favorite one. Oh, they're all dead. Danger zone, danger zone. Danger. Whoa!
Oh my god!
I didn't even get scared and scream. I was just like...
Dinosaur skeleton.
Guys, you should try this ride. Only Filipinos can try it. People from the Philippines. I'm getting scared. People from the Philippines try this ride. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it.
Johan's father.
John's father, oh. It's my brother's father. Shut up! Hello, father. This is a very awesome ride, guys. You should try. Everyone said I. I wanna get home.
Your father is calling you.
Oh my! Ow, my feet! Ah! Oh my God! Shut up! Oy!
Picture po tayo dito, ma.
Ah!
Picture po.
Oh. Oh my God! Ah.
Sige po, ma'am. Compress na lang po.
Yes! Yes! It hurt my feet, the ride.
Give mo yung phone mo, Bob. Come here. Pass
The phone hit my ride. Ah!
Okay, look here, everybody.
Compress. It's just a toy.
Already one. Jan's brother.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up po.
Dinosaur pose.
Roar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ow. I never wanna go there again. Ow, my foot hurts.
That's because of Yo's father.
Yo's brother scared me so. Let's go get Carter.
Safari download show.
Ow! You hit me. The injury is so ouchy.
Unahin natin sa show, ma'am. 200 lang po yung print out.
200?
Apa, ito yung sa mascot show niyo po.
Yung picture. May tikas ba yun?
Yes, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. First, and yung roar po. 52 roar. Kasi yung una medyo blurred to siya, ma'am. Ito yung pangalawa at yung third po yung roar. Kinagat siya sir.
Per picture yan.
Wow, wow,
Yes, ma'am. Para iba-ibang with border na kasi sa amin, ma'am. Yung design galing dito sa Dinosaur Island po. Ganito.
Baby ko,
Ayan.
wag ka na.
Yan, okay na yan.
Ilang copy po?
Isa yan.
Isang roll.
200 isa?
200 po.
Isang picture?
Apo. Isang roll, ma'am, na.
Tsaka yung isa yung dito
Sa harapan.
Yung sa may ano, patingin nga kami kuya.
Sa may
I got so scared.
Sa amin, ma'am, iniwan niyo. Entrance yata yun.
Yan, your father kasi, he scared us.
Yung sa may train, ma'am. Pagsakay niya ng train. First,
This is my friend.
second,
Yeah, this is my friend. And we saw this we saw this guy already.
ayan yung pagkatapos.
Hindi to sa may pinaka-entrance.
Logo, logo,
Look,
logo.
this is my friend. Look,
Where?
here.
Namukaan mo pa yung friend mo kung nagat nga tayo ng king.
Una,
Huwag yan, pangit yan.
you get thumbs up, roar,
Yeah.
and then the last point, peace sign, madam.
Peace sign.
Peace and roar, wait naman.
I want more.
Horror daw.
Roar na lang.
Yan?
Roar.
I want all. Charis.
Tawan-tawan mo mukha mo bapat yan. Pwede ba Gcash dyan?
Sige, ma'am. Isang copy lang din, ma'am.
Mama,
Tapos,
can
ma'am,
we
dito,
buy
ma'am,
cotton
yung sa
candy?
big door niya, ma'am.
Get money from
Bigas pa rin.
Yeah, we can buy cotton candy. Let's go buy cotton candy. Jan, wait. Come here. Jan, your father kasi he scared us. Where's the father? Where's the father of Johan?
hands up
Ito po.
Ayan.
Isang copy lang din, ma'am.
Yan, your father kasi he scared us tuloy.
Hindi ako talaga siya dahil. Nakakainta ka.
Ma'am, yung sa may T-Rex niyo, madam.
Nagkaselas lang ako.
First,
Wala bang iba?
second,
Yan kuya.
and yung third, ma'am.
Tawang-tawa, Paul. Grabe nang
Eh, yung sa may T-Rex na lang, ma'am.
Ang puso ko.
First, second, thumbs up, and yung last po yung
Pinagseselosan siya.
T-Rex. Ayun sa border.
Okay na yung tatlong.
Sayang naman.
Ilagay ka ba dito?
Oh.
Lilibre mo ba yung
Gcash
isa
payment naman tayo,
kuya?
ma'am. Bawasan
Kung
natin.
lilibre mo yung isa kuya, go.
Bawasan natin yung
Bawasan yung
Gcash niya,
laman ng
ma.
Gcash
Mananalo
niya,
naman yun sa start.
Mabigat na masyado, ma'am. Bawasan natin.
Okay lang
Ganda rin
yan.
mo.
Where's the one where I hold the baby?
Kaya kasi yung background, ma'am.
Habang buhay pa si Ted.
Where's the baby?
Sige kuya.